people.
Hey. My hand's in the mulch behind us.
Oh, we're sitting. This is called curbside conversations or curbside chats.
Exactly.
Something.
We're really close to my Tahoe right now.
Hello, Tahoe.
It has bugs. I don't... So we were at the Dunn Brothers and chatting. And so
That's what we do.
I was going to tell Danielle this story, and then I thought, well, I'll just come out and I'll tell all of you.
Tell us. Because I don't even know.
How much I hate automatic things in the bathroom. I hate them. I hate them so much. This is why. So I'm in the bathroom. At least it was an automatic toilet. Those are the worst. So I go to wash my hands, and I'm like, oh, it says automatic under the soap, right?
Uh-huh.
Hands under there. Soap doesn't give me enough.
Oh, it doesn't.
Do it again. Wash my hands, and then I put my hands under this box. I had no idea what it was, and just waited.
It wasn't a dryer, was it?
It wasn't a dryer, and it wasn't automatic paper towel dispenser either. It's just like one of those you have to, not even like the rolly ones.
You just pull them out.
You just pull one out at a time. So I'm sitting in the bathroom like, dry my hands now. Like, I feel like we're turning into a bunch of idiots. Also, people do not know how to use the dryer, the hand dryer. You know the ones that you put in like this and then...
Yeah, the ones that they have at Costco.
Yes, or the ones that come down and they're high powered.
Uh-huh.
They make so much noise. I'm like, no, put like wind resistance. Just let it go like this.
Slide out.
Slide down. Everyone's like, I'm like, I need earplugs. I am getting hearing loss in the bathroom.
This was curbside rants with Abbey.
Now I need some chamomile tea. Or some Pinot Grigio.
Chill out. I'm so upset about all this automatic stuff.
Can't take it anymore. I have to put a piece of toilet paper over the automatic toilet sensor so it doesn't flush my daughter down the toilet. She will not go to the bathroom. And if it's the one on the wall, I have to come in there with her, and she's 7. Like, no person should feel like they're going to go down the toilet. Because I feel like I am, and I'm an old lady.
She's in her groove, people. She's in her groove. Oops, I didn't mean to block you. I'm so upset with you right now. I like the automatic crap.
She loves it.
No.
Yeah.
No, like I was at the hospital the other day and I had to put a cup under the thing to get water for my sister-in-law who's having a baby, and I'm trying to put the cup under there. And if you, like, it's getting water, but if you move the cup slightly this way, it stops giving you water, or slightly down, it stops giving you water. So it's like, water, stay.
I just want a drink of water.
I'm so thirsty. We've been up for 30 hours. She just needs water, and so do I.
Seriously.
Oh my gosh. Whew. Why are we here?
We just wanted to say hi to everyone.
Hello.
We just love you all so much.
We love you all so much. We do. We have so many ideas for what we're going to do. All the things.
I wrote them down.
She wrote them down. She's going to pull them out because that's what she does.
Wow, we made a good list the other day. Look at us.
A good list.
Dang.
I like that list.
Okay,
so tell us, Abby, what kind of things are we thinking about doing videos of?
Okay. Well, more caffeinated conversations. That's really what this is.
This is really what
we just
happened.
had coffee and sugar, so we're like, woo! Exactly.
It's like George of the Jungle. Jabba, 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 jabba.
Exactly.
While he's eating dry coffee. Jabba, 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 jabba. Okay.
Oh my goodness. So, the knitters want a rematch because they don't think it was fair.
Hey.
Maybe it wasn't.
Because it wasn't a little bit.
We did our race. If you haven't seen the video, you need to go watch it. It's a race for the ages. We are racing knitting and crochet.
It was pretty fabulous.
Who can make a hat fastest? We had the same yarn, but I had a bigger hook than her needle.
And I also don't work with that type of yarn very often. So it was actually kind of hard for me. I kept like sticking my needle through the yarn and I was like, ah! I don't use this often enough.
So we're having difficulties. So
right.
For some reason I thought I was taking our video. I was like,
I'm taking the video. It's right here, Abby.
So we're gonna rematch with yarn that she likes with the same millimeter hook needle.
And you've used this yarn too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's not like super. Yeah, it's just we're trying to make it a little bit more even match just to see if it'll even change the time at all. Like it's just be interesting to see. Yeah. It's not even rather that I still don't think I'm gonna win, but
it will be more accurate.
Yes,
that's what we're going for.
That's what we're going for.
It's a rematch.
So
we did two tassel tutorials. We have, what is our simple one?
We did our simple one.
And
yep, like the stuff that you can use at home to make a tassel.
Yeah. Watch the video to learn more. And Blue Sky Alpaca.
It's a Blue Sky Fibers.
Blue Sky Fibers.
Tassel tutorial. They had brain fart.
Like a kit box?
Yeah, they had a kit that they put out. And
I made
we
this
got to
face
test.
a lot.
So
as I'm looking at the directions.
Why?
Like it was the hardest thing in the world, but it was not.
It was not hard. It was actually super simple.
I have a really dramatic concentrating face. I'm gonna
help me.
So and we do nature walks with our kids a lot.
Yeah.
And so we wanted to do like nature crowns or something.
Yes.
Or
nature. There's like this one that I saw that was really cool. It's like nature weavings.
Oh yes.
So it's like you have like the weaving loom, but you like weave in nature items like flowers or cool leaves or long grass. We thought that would be cool, and you can even like tie on little acorns and stuff like that. So
that'd be so cute.
We thought that would be fun, and the kids would love it.
And then do some kid tutorials with our kids. So
we have several kids who are super crafty, like us.
Yeah, they know how to finger knit, crochet. Do any know how to knit yet?
Soraya would love to show you all how to do a crochet scrunchie.
Oh yes,
because that's a thing these days. We're back to scrunchies, people.
That's right, going back. Because all these 80s moms are 80s children are moms now. That's what I should say.
Yeah.
And then TGI Fiber Friday. Did I say that right?
Yes, you did.
Yeah, so explain your TGI
Fiber Fridays. It's every Friday. I share some sort of thing that I did, knitting, crocheting, whatever. I did one of macrame because I just taught myself how to macrame. So it's just using fibers, yarn of all sorts, and just trying out new things and having fun with it, getting creative. So I'll share a little bit on that. It'll be like TGI Fiber Fridays. We'll post it on a Friday, and we'll both share what we're working on. We'll share our whips.
Yeah, whips.
Work in progress.
And
project,
if you
whatever.
Search for, what is the hashtag on Instagram?
Hashtag TGI Fiber Fridays.
Yeah.
Or Fiber Friday, not Fridays.
Just Friday.
Singular. One Friday at a time, people.
One Friday at a time. So I make faux fur palms to go on the hats. I made them. I started making them just for Danielle. So we started that. So we both make them now because I need help.
Because she got a ridiculous amount of orders just for these silly, cute little faux fur palms.
Yeah. So we're going to talk about how to attach them to your hats and different ways to attach them. So yeah, we'll talk about that and show you all the fun palms. And if you need some palms, I do have them on Etsy. Hey. They'll be on sale soon.
Woo!
And more tutorials.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a cowl, a crochet cowl and a knit cowl. Talk you through how to start it, and then we're gonna race on the cowl.
Just to make time go faster.
Just to make, for funsies.
For funsies.
And then we'll show you how to finish it and knit and crochet.
Yeah. That's a fun idea.
And a fun little wall hanging that we can do like almost like a mixed media, but it'll be like knit, crochet, tassels, macrame things to hang up in your house. So we're gonna work on that. But the big thing we wanted to know was, is there anything else you guys want to hear from us? Do you want to learn anything from us?
Yeah, what specifically, if anything out of that list, what would you want to see next? Or if you heard that list and something came to your mind, you're like, oh wait, I want to see them do this, which is not on the list, but let us know. We want to know what you want to see. Yeah. And we'd be glad to try it out. Like we did. We can't even talk about it. We can't even talk about it. It's so silly. We did punch needling for the first time.
Yeah.
I don't know if we should video ourselves when we're trying things out for the first time, or if we should wait till we actually know what we're doing. It's probably funnier to watch us figure it out as we go, but that's basically what we did. Is we tried punch needling, and it's called punch needling for idiots, because that's basically what it was.
Because we're the idiots. It's not like the books that teach you how to do it, because they know what they're doing, so
Yeah,
they're trying to
we
teach
know.
you. It's like,
Because they're like, you're the idiot, but it's more like, we were the idiot trying to figure it out. So
Yeah.
that video is coming up soon.
yeah. So if you've punch needled before, please go watch the video and please advise.
Yeah, tips are helpful.
Everyone's probably like, you guys are doing that upside down, and backwards and inside out.
And then they're all thinking in their heads, you idiots.
But we tried a thing. We tried
tried a thing. And it was
Yeah.
fun, and we laughed our way through it because we were like, oh my gosh, this is really hard.
Yeah.
Didn't actually think it was going to be as hard as it was. I mean, it wasn't super hard, but it was like trying to
No.
figure it out
The
was...
technique was harder than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
I didn't think it would be so hard, but it was. Bye.
Bye. We're done. Okay, well that was curbside conversations, or chats, or caffeinated conversations, because that's really what it was. We had coffee. Oh, like our mustaches. And we will see you again soon.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, so you wrap it up.
This is Ellie Inspired, and this is... No, I'm kidding.
Thanks for watching our video.